It's Philip again from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 330 Sea Ray Sundancer with a 5 kW generator in it, and we're going to do a quick startup for you on it. So the first thing we're going to do is turn the bilge blower on. If I don't speak for a second, you might hear it in the background. It's important that you turn on the bilge blower every time you run the generator. And when I'm starting these up, I always turn off the main shore power, slide over to the generator side, and turn on the genset, so that it'll have some load on it when you start it. So now I'm gonna hit the run button and then I'll hold on to it until it fires up. Let's give it a go. Wow, fired up right away. Few cranks. That's a dead cold start. You can see it's charging, putting out 120 volts, no problem there. Nice and quiet. You got 110 power when you're away from the dock. You also have the Xantrax inverter charger unit with 2000 watts of inverting power there. And let's go take a look at out the back of it to see how, if there's what it looks like. You can hear it cranking away, and there we go. It's coming out the main exhaust of the engine right there. Just what you want to see. Nice feature. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, 604-708-1980. 31 years in business. Part of the reasons of our success are the videos that we do. We tell you everything about the boat that we possibly can. We welcome your, appointments to come and view it. We show all our boats by appointment only. That is your startup video on your 5 kW generator in your 330 Sea Ray Sundancer. And then to turn it off, you hit the off button, turn off the blower, turn off the main generator switch, slide it over, turn it on. Back onto shore power we are. Thanks for watching our generator startup video on our 330 Sea Ray Sundancer 1993. That generator has 294 hours on it. Very, very low original time on it. The engines have low original time as well, at just over 1,400 hours. Full maintenance logs available with this boat as well. Survey from 2025. Thanks for watching.